my gosh. This is really, really good.
So if you love creamy taco soup, then you'll love this recipe. So what I'm doing is grounding 1 pound of ground turkey, but you can use whatever meat that you like. So here what you'll do is get out your seasoning. I had my cumin. After you add your cumin, you'll want to add a dash of your chili powder. And then I put some extra virgin olive oil. Then I have your vegetables. So I have some white onions, green bell peppers, and red bell peppers. Give that a stir. And then you'll put in a teaspoon of some garlic. And then I chopped up some jalapenos to give it some more spicy flavor. And then add in a can of rotel, which makes it very, very juicy. So mix all those flavors up. So you added the jalapenos and your vegetables, and then about a cup of your beef broth. Stir that in, and with also some black pepper and some sea salt, just a little bit of that. Then I have a block of cream cheese. You'll want to make sure you pour the whole thing in there, your soup, so it gets it nice and creamy. Once you have your cream cheese in, just stir that up to make sure you get all the chunks out, so it becomes very, very creamy. Then I grate in I have a block of mild cheddar cheese, so I'm grating that. You can use regular shredded cheese, but I like the block instead. Once you have all your cheese grated, just toss that into your soup and give it a simmer. And then you'll want to turn down your soup, and it should look something like this. And then I'll pour myself a bowl of the creamy taco soup that I have. I like to top my soup off with a little bit of cilantro. Then add a tablespoon sour cream. Give it some heat. I added some red pepper flakes, and then off camera I also added a slice of avocado to it.
You guys, so I don't know if you're able to see that. So this is the taco soup. So let's dig in and try it, shall we? It's got cilantro and also sour cream. So let's try a little bit. Gosh, this is really, really good. Glad I was able to give it a try. It's hot, but this is really, really good. I know many of you guys have any children. Your children will definitely love this. You guys gotta give that a try. All right, you guys, comment below if you really like this video. I know I love the soup. You guys should make it if you have for your significant other or children, especially on cold days like today here in the Midwest. But it's hearty, it is flavorful, and it's really, really good. So I hope you guys do try this soup out. And if you want more content like this, please, comment below. And last but not least, please like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.